I'm Liam Merrilees, a six-figure FTMO funded trader, and I have helped hundreds of people get funded and become consistently profitable traders. I guarantee by the end of this video, you will have learned a simple, profitable trading system, of which will save you over 5 years of trial and error within the financial markets. In this video, I'm going to break down a trade of a case study that myself and all of the exclusive members took trading this exact strategy. You are going to get so much value from this video. Let's dive in. So this right here is GBP USD on the 15-minute time frame. And the first thing that you need to understand is your directional bias. So for example, we use the EMAs for a mechanical approach for our directional bias. You can see right here, this is the 50, the 100, and the 200 exponential moving average, and when the 50 is greater than the 100, which is greater than the 200, we are long bias on this market. When we're long bias, what we need to see is a run of sell side liquidity. We have sell side liquidity resting below the Asia session low. So this is the Asia session right here. We can mark that on with a dollar sign to indicate there's liquidity resting below there. So you can see from a New York perspective, the Asia session starts at 7 p.m. up until 12 o'clock midnight. We're looking for a run of the Asia liquidity. This could be during the London or New York session. The London session is between 3 a.m. and 5 a.m. UTC. So that is New York time. So you can see right here, we've swept that sell side liquidity. We're now entering into the London session and we're simply waiting for a bullish confirmation. That is exactly what we get right here. We can enter on the break of that candle high. Invalidation goes below the liquidity sweep like so. Target a 1 to 2 risk to reward. So this is a fully mechanical risk to reward system, and we're going to see if we're triggered in. So let's see. You're triggered in the trade right here. We have clear invalidation and clear targets. Either the take profit is hit or the stop loss is hit. There's no in between. So there's no micromanaging trades. So you can see right here, we're triggered in this trade. And you can see during the London session, this trade smashes take profit for a 1 to 2 and even offered a 1 to 3 risk to reward on this setup right here. So this is on GBP USD. So how do we look at this? Okay, this market is behaving in 3 stages. Okay, you can see this right here is your accumulation. So we've accumulated these orders, also accumulated over the Asia session. Then what we've seen is phase number 2, which is the manipulation phase. And then finally, we took part in the distribution phase, which is this markup in price right here. I want you guys to understand this metaphor, which is the surfer and the ocean. Picture yourself standing on a beach with a surfboard in your hand. The waves crash in, some small and some massive. You yourself can't control the waves, but you can learn to ride them. Trading is just like surfing. You wait for the perfect wave, position yourself, and ride the wave accordingly. Patience is critical because if you choose every single ripple, you'll exhaust yourself before the real opportunities have even presented themselves. And so you need to be patient. You don't need to be taking every single setup or chasing every single trade. You need to be waiting for the A+ setups. And that is what is going to separate you from the rest of the unprofitable traders. And I absolutely love this metaphor of the surfer and the ocean.